Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send ETH via Binance in 2025. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or a seasoned pro, sending Ethereum can feel intimidating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. This guide is all about keeping things simple, secure, and up to date with the latest Binance features. First things first, why send ETH through Binance? It's one of the world's largest exchanges, offering low fees, fast transactions, and robust security. Plus, with 2025 updates, you might see enhanced user interfaces and better blockchain integration, making it even easier. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log in to your Binance account. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for extra security. It's a game changer in preventing hacks. Once you're logged in, head over to the Wallet section. This is where all your assets are stored. Next, locate your ETH balance. Click on it to access your Ethereum wallet. Now, look for the Withdraw or Send option. Depending on the 2025 interface, it might be even more straightforward. Enter the recipient's ETH address. Pro tip: always double-check this address to avoid costly mistakes. Copy and paste it directly from a trusted source. Then, input the amount of ETH you want to send. Remember, Binance will show you the network fees up front, so keep an eye on those. Ethereum transactions can vary based on network congestion. Select the appropriate network, like the Ethereum mainnet, to ensure compatibility. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. This includes the amount, address, and fees. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and your ETH should arrive in the recipient's wallet shortly, usually within minutes. A few quick tips for 2025. Stay updated with Binance's app for mobile sending, and always use hardware wallets for larger amounts. If you're unsure, Binance has excellent support resources. And there you have it. Sending ETH via Binance is that straightforward. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you in the next video.